The crypto industry is a big thing now. In fact, it has created a new digital economy that provides us with several ways to earn money. Now, let me tell you that investing in the crypto industry isn't just about purchasing some coins and holding or selling them. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Glory Investing Show. In our today's video, I'm going to tell you about 9 effective ways to earn money in crypto. However, before we go any further, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to hit that bell icon as well so you never miss any updates. Oh yeah, just to let you guys know, if you would like to buy some awesome stock trading merch, check out this website. There's a ton of different things you can purchase. You can use the code ADDICT at the checkout if you want to receive a discount. Now, without further ado, let's get into this. Of course, one of the most popular ways of earning money in crypto is mining. It is indeed a great way to get some crypto coins. However, keep in mind that mining doesn't work for all cryptocurrencies. While many believe that this process is all about getting as many coins as you can, the entire process of mining is a bit different. You will be using your computer to solve complex mathematical equations in order to mine some coins. What happens, all cryptocurrencies are already created inside a protocol, and the first person to validate them so that the coins become available on the market gets a fragment of the virtual token. Ethereum, Dash, Litecoin, and Monero are some of the best cryptocurrencies you can mine nowadays. We all know that content has now become amazing and one of the most effective ways to communicate any message to potential as well as existing customers. Now, if you're planning to launch a new product or provide services to people, content creation is indeed the best way to do that. The crypto sector relies on content marketing a lot because most projects are virtual. So it is better to create content instead of using conventional marketing ways in order to reach your target audience. You can create infographics, write blogs and articles, and produce video content for different crypto brands. Y'all's, Steemit, and yours are among the best websites that offer regular gigs for content creators in the crypto space. The next way to earn money in crypto is yield farming, which helps you make passive income in the DeFi markets. For those who don't know, yield farming refers to the process of depositing digital assets in a lending pool and then staking the token of the protocol to earn additional returns. Here, it is important to note that yield farming is a risky business, so you should research more before you start yield farming. With that being said, let's move on to our next amazing way to make money from crypto. What if you want to get some coins that you cannot mine? You don't need to worry. There is another way to get them. Now, you need to understand that there are mainly 2 methods of validating blocks. The first one is proof of work, while the second one is proof of stake. In the case of proof of work, you need to mine the blocks and confirm the transaction via pure computational power. However, in a proof of stake system, the system will choose you to confirm the creation of a new block based on the number of coins you already have. So staking is just like a lottery game. The more coins you have and put into staking, the more chances you have to be chosen to validate a new transaction. An ICO is basically the crypto industry's equivalent to an IPO or initial public offering. Now, if a crypto company is looking to raise more money in order to create a new coin, application, or service, it will launch an initial coin offering to raise funds. If you're interested in an ICO of a crypto company, you will have to buy into the offering and you will receive a new crypto token issued by that company. Sometimes these tokens have some utility in using the product or service the company is offering. On the other hand, it may also represent a stake in the company or project. However, you must always keep in mind that a token does not have any intrinsic value or legal guarantees. If you're an early investor in an ICO and the tokens turn out to be successful, you will achieve overall gains. According to a report published by ICO Holder, more than 80% of cryptocurrency investors believe that the only effective way to earn money in this space is through day trading. However, what you need to understand is that day trading is more than just holding a cryptocurrency until its value rises. Another important thing to keep in mind is that the most people focus on trading Bitcoin. Well, there are several other cryptocurrencies available out there in the market. These digital currencies are called altcoins. Well, altcoins are basically just any other crypto apart from Bitcoin. One of the most popular altcoin is Ethereum, which is also the second largest cryptocurrency in the world by market cap. One of the reasons why I suggest people start trading alts is that it doesn't require a lot of money. In fact, you can even start off investing just $100. What's more, the gains are ridiculous. Think about it. We have seen the prices of altcoins increase by 100% in a single day. It is all about learning how to analyze the market and the performance of an altcoin. First, you need to keep in mind that gambling is really risky and you might lose more money than you win. With that being said, let me tell you that 1xBet and Wolf.bet are some of the crypto gambling platforms that can help you earn money. And also, some of the platforms even offer a login bonus, where you can also multiply your in-game funds. Here, it is important to know that the crypto gambling platforms that offer bonuses on sign-up usually require users to deposit a minimum amount of money in order to withdraw their cryptocurrency. This is why you need to be really cautious while choosing a crypto gambling platform. Now, this method is amazing if you want to take advantage of emerging projects. In this case, you will be joining a few airdrops so that you earn crypto coins. What happens is, many projects use airdrop campaigns to get an initial level of notoriety and create a community. This eventually helps crypto enthusiasts find out about upcoming projects. If you join an airdrop, you will be asked to perform some tasks, and in return, you will be getting some of the tokens of that project. For example, you might be required to follow their social media channels, share ports, and sign up on their platform. Once that project hits the market, you will be able to get money by trading your tokens for other coins or cash. Smart contracts are an important factor of the crypto space, and if you're smart enough to code these smart contracts, you can actually add extra cash to your bank account by doing so. For those who don't know, a smart contract is basically a computer program that ideally enforces the terms of an agreement. According to a report published by Benzinga, the smart contract is based on the idea that a computer must objectively execute code that it receives without question. Ironically, it is the computer's lack of active intelligence and the inability to change its directives that make the contract more efficient than a human third party. Many experts believe that we will be using smart contracts in the future to streamline mortgage payments, develop products faster, enhance insurance claim processing, prove ownership of real as well as intellectual property, and much more. Now, before you test any of these ways to earn in crypto, it is important to learn how to manage your crypto asset holdings. In simple words, you should learn before testing any of these income avenues. Well, that will be all for today's video, folks, and thanks for watching it. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts and valuable feedback with us in the comment section below. Lastly, if you have not already subscribed to Glory Investing Show, subscribe to it and press that bell button so you will be notified each time we upload an interesting video on this channel. And while you are here, click to watch one of these two videos that are appearing on your screen. We'll see you there. Take care and stay tuned.